Hi, I'm Brian Kellerman, the Chief Quality and Safety Officer at Kellerman Consulting, and you are watching our video series on ISO 9001 and quality management systems in any operation. Throughout this series, we will be discussing the foundational aspects of how a practical quality management system is put into place within an organization, as well as how organizations can apply those quality management systems to the requirements of ISO 9001 to attain certification to that standard. Businesses can choose voluntarily to create quality management systems and to pursue ISO 9001 certification. And since quality management systems and ISO 9001 certification are not requirements to run a business, it might not be immediately clear why companies would choose to invest the time and money to implement these programs. We should point out here that many businesses which implement a quality management system and/or pursue ISO 9001 certification do so because a customer requested the certification or demanded that a system be implemented to that standard. Other than customer requirements, ISO 9001 standards and quality management systems can improve productivity, efficiency, process controls, and/or quality of products or services to make it beneficial for many business applications. As we begin our examination of these concepts, we will first define the term quality. Attempting to understand what makes something quality is not an easy or simple task. Quality is both an intellectual concept and a sensation we feel when we engage in an object or service that achieves correctness. This correctness may be immediately observable through the well-functioning product or service, or it may be subtly experienced in critical moments, as when a service provider completes an agreed-upon action in a timely manner or based upon prearranged terms. Quality may also be derived from the use of specific materials or ingredients in combination with techniques that imbue these inputs with a heightened sensation or connection intended by the designer or creator. In cultures that have existed throughout ancient times, quality is often associated with traditional actions or objects that have undergone careful and precise treatment passed on verbally or through instruction without written documentation. Beauty, refinement, speed, strength, quietness, ingenuity are all attributes connected with quality, and we also associate concepts like bespoke, boutique, niche, luxury to quality items, although none of these specific attributes are required for quality. In our modern and mechanical times, quality has been commonly taken on association of luxury and opulence, but true quality is not directly associated with cost and benefit or with scarcity of resources. Many people in our society view computers and technology as a way to add quality to products and services in themselves. However, quality has existed before machines and before technology. Therefore, computers and technology are not necessarily requirements in conveying quality in operations. Quality is achieved through the intention, scheduling, preparation, and execution of one or more tasks to achieve a desired outcome. And quality is most often marked by the absence of excess or inefficiency throughout a process. Indeed, the same quality achieved through ancient recipes communicated prior to the development of writing all the way to the machined aircraft and electric cars of our present day is unchanged when we look at the skill and control in how they were derived. When a company or brand is associated with quality, whether it be based on tradition, on craftsmanship, competency, or a combination of these factors, this is often accompanied by loyalty and high satisfaction from customers. Quality, as defined by ISO, includes consideration of the company culture, behaviors, attitudes, and activities. It also takes into account not only the quality of the intended functions and performances, but also the perceived value and benefit to the customer. Quality in the context of a business or organization is our ability to achieve a desired consistent outcome or finished product characteristics through the use of a plan and procedures to guide tasks to completion. For quality to be accomplished, plans and procedures must be followed exactly and accurately. Precise control of the outcomes must be confirmed for all organizational actions. Achieving and maintaining consistent quality in an organization requires effective and efficient interactions at all levels of the organization and must include visionary leadership, oversight, review, and productive collaboration. Quality standards, while exacting and based on clear specifications, must be adaptable and adjustable to changing circumstances, and most of all, must be connected to key performance indicators and the core values of the company. As we dig deeper into both quality management systems and ISO 9001, we're going to be speaking about each of these side by side as separate topics. The reason here is that a properly functioning quality management system does not require that a business be certified to any program, and the pursuit of the highest quality for an organization is a profoundly important goal in itself. At the same time, demonstrating adequate quality management within an organization is most commonly recognized by key stakeholders and customers through a certification. And for this series to be of greatest value, it is important to include a review of practical requirements to achieve ISO 9001 certification for those wishing to pursue or improve an ISO 9001 quality management program. As a result, in the following episodes of this series, when we examine the concepts of quality management systems, we are going to be focusing on the concepts of quality and technical actions to carry out processes that result in high quality outputs. We will also be discussing the basic structure of the ISO 9001 scheme, which are the requirements found in the ISO 9001 manual to attain certification to that scheme. Regardless of whether you are watching to learn more about quality management in and of itself, or whether you are focused on ISO 9001, it is our hope that through the next episodes you find valuable insights into scheduling, planning, carrying out, and reviewing quality actions, and that these lead to improved outcomes in your organization. We highly recommend the continuous and relentless pursuit of quality in all businesses and organizations, regardless of size or structure. In our next episode, we are going to examine quality management systems through the concepts of quality control and quality assurance, and how these functions fit together in coherent structures. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit our website at kellermanconsulting.com or follow us on YouTube.